एक्वाटिक गैलरी में हूँ, वो साइंस सिटी है और मैं अहमदाबाद में हूँ। कितना बड़ा है देखो, वाह। और आज मैं इसका सफ़र आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा ये वीडियो देखने के लिए। तो चलो मिलते हैं। मैं शॉर्ट क्लिप कर रहा हूँ और चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में। अभी हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, तो मज़ा आएगा। चलो देखते हैं। देखो ये क्या लिखा है, इंडियन ओशियन, इंडियन जोन है, ये इंडियन जोन है। अभी ये भी बहुत एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं। ये तिलापिया मोसम्बिका नर्मदा में है, राजकार, गंगा, कॉमन कार, गोदावरी, चन्ना, एम्फीबियस। देखो ये सी ऑल द फिशेस, मज़ा आया। ये इंडियन जोन का है, ये सब कितना अच्छा है।
देखा तो कुछ है नहीं सर।
और ये है वो जो ग्लास पर चिपकती है बाल, ये वो फिशेस है। बहुत बड़ा है। ये कुछ है, ये एनिमल मुझे नहीं पता है। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है।
What is the name of it?
देखो आ रहा है, देखो आ रहा है।
It's in water.
It is a Madagascar corpus and it is up to 10 kg, up to 45 centimeter, stems of plants and roots and rhizomes, freshwater marshes but also inhabited brackish marshes and rarely salt marshes. And this is Indian zone. Wow, so beautiful. The next fish is this. Wow. It's really beautiful. Wow, so great. ये है वो चाइनीज जो this is that Chinese fish that always sticks to the frame. I can show you the whole view also. Now we are going to Asian zone. This was Indian zone, now we are going to Asian zone.
Okay, sorry.
Hello, and this is Patna, and it is right now sleeping and it's really sleeping right now. And I can show you the board. It is Katla. This is Katla. This is Indian golden massive. Now this is the another fish. These are really so many. It is so much, and they are white, they are silver and orange. They are so great. Wow. Dekho. See, it's really great. Look at this. I can show you the whole view. This is Asian zone and this is giant gourami, red-tailed gourami, red-tailed tinfoil. And guys, this is goldfish. So I'm going to show. It's so beautiful. Wow, I like that. I like those. They are so great. Wow. Whoa. Now in the 11th tank, Asian zone, its name is koi. Koi looks so great. It is white and orange. Yeah.
I think this is a
Can you see it? Wow. Good. Really good here. See, now these all are sleeping right now. So I'm not going to this. Oh, this is baby koi. This is baby koi. This was baby koi. Where it went, I don't know. Here it is. And in the next next is Asian zone. Red rainbow, Bosumani rainbow, neon half rainbow,
चलो बच्चों
and all. These all are next fishes. All are next. See, from the near part. Wow. They are so great. Wow. Wow.
But and this
OP it is. Now let's go. Oh my gosh, it is Siamese fighter fish. Siamese fighter fish. He is sleeping right now. And here in the tank it's not there. Now it's Siamese fighter fish. That all are same, but see, all the fighter fish. Look at this fighter fish. It looks so great. Now let's go to the African zone. The Asian zone we all saw this all. Now we are going to the African zone. And these all are other types of fishes. They are really big. Look at them. See. Wow. Oh. They have extra fins. And this is Asian zone only. These all fish we saw. And let's go to the African zone. Yes. Now in the African zone, and this is the African zone. Spilo, slender tail hap, electric blue hap. Oh my gosh. I feel like that they are scary names. See, wow. Look at its eyes. Oh. It looks so great. Wow. This is Giant Kitslid and I'm going to show you. Wow. It is type of other color. But I mean, yeah, kind of like a metallic. Yeah. They are like a metal. They look like metal for me. And here, and the rocks also look good. Wow. OP. This is Suckermouth from Niger. This is Spotted Rock Catfish from Ubangi. This is Caprivi Cavefish, Congo. This is Barge Red Fin Kasai, Talapad, Zambezi. Now I am going to go to the next one. The African zone. Rubin, we'll see Rubin Red Peacock, Flavis Sand Peacock, Sunshine Peacock. See, look at this. These are all the fish's name. And this is marble lungfish. Oh my gosh. It looks so great. It looks like a leaf for me.
सर्वाइव करे आने लीधे आपला सर्वाइव वो कितनी बड़ी
Now we'll see Petrochromis fasciolatus. See. Then we'll see Threadnin Kitslid. This one. This is location Africa only. See, look at this. Oh.
આવશે ને ખાવાનું નથી ત્યારે બધી આવશે
This is anatomy of a fish. This is brain. This is all. See, look at this. It looks so great. Now this is Frontosa Kitslid. I know it's a funny name and looks so funny. Look at his brain. Okay, now I'm going to show you. It looks so great. Oh my god. Its eyes is type of another. Look. It looks so great. Wow. Now this is American zone. Black Pacu, silver abalone, red tail catfish, seven nose catfish, Aripina. Look at this octopus. It's running so fast. Wow. I feel like touching it. But it is in the tank. How will I? Hey, they all are running. See. Now this catfish. It's running like that. Oh my gosh. Look at this long type of fish. Then only some types of fish are there. It is alligator gar. Yeah. One is guppy. One is elders live barrier. One is another is black molly. Sail from molly. Then and see, look at this all fish. Ram kitslid, Angus kitslid, rainbow kitslid, Olivia butterfly. These all. It looks so great. Wow. Look clearly. Please look. Whoa. Now we'll see bluegill and green sunfish. Look at this. Wow. It's so great. Wow. I can't believe it. Now we'll see Midas kitslid. See, this is Midas kitslid. Looks so great. Midas kitslid. Wow. Okay. Hi guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, so like and comment. It will be so fun and I'll be happy. Bye guys.